Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making chicken casserole. I heard casserole is a pot, but anyways, we're using frying pan for this. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this chicken casserole. We have green onion, carrots, pepper, cornflour, and of course chicken, right? I use boneless chicken. You can use any kind of chicken you want, but I use boneless. And this is milk. I guess you can use whipped cream instead, but anyways, let's get right into this video. First off, you have to fry your chicken. Is either you grill it or you fry it, but I decided to fry it just to save time. It got to a point where I got to find out, or I realized that the oil was too much. So I decided to take little from the oil out, and yeah, it gave me what I wanted because it was taking forever to become brown. So I decided to reduce the oil, although I wasn't the one that added the oil anyway, it was my mom. But yeah, this is me taking out the oil, and after doing that, trust me, it gave me what I wanted immediately. So that's, yeah, just checking it out, and this is how it looks like some minutes after taking out the oil. So I'm changing my fry pan to a bigger one because of the other things I need to mix in this cooking. So yeah, first off, I'll be adding green onion. I'll be adding half just to be sure if it won't be too much, because I don't have enough onion to use, or I decided not to use enough onion, like the proper onion here. So afterwards, you add half cup of water, stir it together, then add seasoning cube, just 1 cube first off. So we don't want something too tasty or too sweet. So I added just 1 from the beginning, then stir it up together and covered it up for it to steam for like 5 minutes. So yeah, this is me stirring it properly. Make sure you stir it properly. You want it to be even. You don't want some parts to be sweet and some not. So this is it steaming for 5 minutes, and then I open it up, and yeah, I added another half cup of water. Then leave it. I left it to steam for a while again. Then I tasted it to see if it was tasty enough, but it wasn't, so I added little salt. Let me just say a pinch of salt. I told you guys I don't like salt. So afterwards, I added 1 more cube of seasoning cube. Then I added pepper. This is optional. This pepper is optional, but you know, I'm Yoruba, we need pepper, we need something spicy. So yeah, I let that steam for 2 minutes. Then I poured in my carrot and onion, then the remaining green onion, stir it up together, cover it to steam for 2 minutes again, and yeah. So the next thing I'll be adding is the garlic, and stir it up together also. Then this is cornflour. I didn't know I wasn't recording when mixing this, so I'll be adding little just for you guys to see how I mixed it. Add little water into your cornflour, mix it properly. You don't want lumps in your cornflour. Make sure it's evenly mixed. And after mixing, you add your little you add little milk, or you can add everything if you wish, but I added just little milk, and I guess you can use whipped cream, I'm not sure. So pour it in and stirred it all together. Then afterwards, I covered it up for it to steam for like 5 minutes. And after steaming, I poured another half cup of water because it was too thick. We don't want it thick. So that's it. That's all. After steaming for 5 minutes, that was all. It was ready to be served. I ate this with rice. It's more enjoyable with rice, any kind of rice you have, or pasta, I guess. Yeah, so this is how it looks like with my rice. Looks yummy and tasted really yummy. I hope you guys try yours. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching my previous videos, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment also. See you guys in my next video. Bye.